Mr. Toad. Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place. Whoa, 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 hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid cunt?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
Look, whatever it is, it's between you and Beast. I'm staying out of it.
It's not what you might be thinking.
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Come with me.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow!
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
No, I'm D. He's dumb.
But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy.
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here.
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and, they're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck, man!
This fucking lapdog. He comes sniffing around this part of town. Rich fucks in the woods need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much.
Und somit willkommen zur zweiten Episode von The Wolf Among Us.
Mr. Wolf!
Okay.
You're making this more
Abrisszeitbezirk.
difficult than it has to be.
Nachmittag darauf.
If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe get some sleep. How are you feeling? I know it's been a long night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
I'll be better when I find who did this, which I can't do while sitting in here.
We all want the same thing here, Bigby. Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation. That's very helpful. Thank
Ach so,
you.
ich hab doch was A geklickt, ich war zu langsam, sorry. Naja, ist aber gar nicht mal so schlecht. Wieso? Hä?
Are you okay? You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Yeah, I know. I just said that. Is there something?
Do you hear that?
Es geht.
Please. Please. I'm sorry. Just make it stop, please.
Was zur Hölle ist hier gerade los? Lass mich rollen, die Videokameras sind seitdem aus, oder?
We have to go, now.
What did you do to her?
She'll be fine. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive, but it works. The whole station will forget the last 24 hours.
Also sie leben also noch.
Everything they saw at the Woodlands. Well, hurry up.
Nimm's Foto vom Schneewittchen mit. Auf der anderen Seite. Nimm's Foto mit. Okay, ja, soweit klar. Wir werden also gerade verhört, weil wir halt am Tatort aufgetaucht sind, geguckt haben. Oder so. Und die weltliche halt sich gerade inmische, die weltliche Polizei in die Fable-Sache. Und er ist gerade gekommen und hat es geregelt, dass die weltliche nichts davon mitkriegt, sonst gibt's Probleme. Komm. Ich kann da nicht leiden.
We found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the Woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem. Bluebeard's currently interrogating him.
There's two of them, Dee and Dunn. They've been snooping around every crime scene I've looked at.
That doesn't mean they're necessarily involved in the murders.
Ja, schon, aber er ist schon sehr verdächtig. Hauptverdächtiger Gedönse.
I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too.
Ich weiß nicht, eigentlich, im Moment ist er gerade schon fast schon menschlich, aber...
Dies. Now, for it to be Snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things. I just can't believe this is really happening. Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused. Did she, give any indication to what she was thinking? When you saw her last, I mean. I don't know why, but I'd like to know that she was... I guess fine, I suppose.
She could come off as callous sometimes, but she wasn't really. She said that she wanted to change things, make it easier for Fables to get help when they need it.
Ja.
I don't know what else to say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this. It's been 2 murders in as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and
Wie
soon,
konnte er da
there
gerade so
will
geil
likely be
parken?
another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Please, Bigby, for Miss White.
Zauberei.
I got it.
Holla. Hey. Die Woodland Lux
That's not a very good
Apartments.
answer, is it? Come on. Just tell me what I want to know. It will make things a lot less painful for you.
Das Blaubart.
In theory.
Genau.
Oh, were you planning on using that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Bluebeard.
I was just chatting with our new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence!
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Hello, Big B.
No violence.
I want
Okay, muss ich mal
answers,
merken.
Dee.
Oh, goody. I thought you wanted questions, and I was having so much trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'd settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with? What are you going to do about this, Bigby?
It's been
Erstmal ruhig
better,
bleiben.
but we're not here to talk about me. Snow White is dead,
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
and I'm supposed to just believe you.
Ja, also zumindest
You
ist
were
Snow
with
White hat
me
er
when
nicht
it
umgebracht.
happened, dummy.
Ja.
I still have questions for you, Dee.
Sounds like a personal problem.
This is ridiculous.
Let him work.
He's got more experience with these kinds of things.
You know I saw you at Faith's apartment. What were you doing there?
Girl's got air conditioning. You can't imagine what it's like
Alter.
living in a little shithole with no air.
Echt ruhig
I'm not
bleibe,
fucking
ruhig
around
bleibe. Aber, Junge, die hätte das sowas von
Alright,
verdient
Dee.
gehabt.
Let's get to know each other.
I know you enjoy my company, but I like to be off.
So, also wacht. Erstmal ein Foto zeigen. Guck mal da. Das ist der Kopf Schneewittchen.
Fuck, Bigby. Don't make me look at that. Just put that away. Please.
Snow was murdered, Dee. She was important to me. If you know who did this, you have to tell me.
I don't know what to tell you. You're barking up the wrong tree. I don't know who did it.
Nicht sehr glaubwürdig. Also, weiß nicht.
Just tell me what you were doing at Faith's apartment.
Look, Bigby, we're not on opposite sides here. My brother and I are trying to get to the bottom of things. Same as you.
Your brother.
Ja, dein Bruder,
Where was
genau.
he last night?
Genau,
I can't say.
wollte ich
He
froh.
could have been anywhere.
Take your best guess.
He didn't do it, if that's what you're thinking.
Then where is he?
No, I'm not sending you after my brother. Look,
Doch.
I answered your question. Can I get my stuff back now?
What did you find on him?
Oh, nothing of consequence, really.
Zeig mal her. Geld, Zigarre. Freimache du mal schon mal
This
nicht.
imbecile will have him going in circles.
Erstmal
He's getting somewhere.
gucken. Geld hat er zumindest.
You
Sind
always
das
carry
100er?
this much cash.
I've got a lot of laundry to do this week. What's it to you?
20er, okay. Ich weiß nicht, was ist denn das kriegte Geldschein? Na, das
I'm
hab ich.
declaring a tax on uncooperative troublemakers.
Ich mache hier nur so,
You
als ob.
taking out a loan? You might not like the interest on that.
Laber nicht.
You'll need to account for that. You can't just... There are procedures to be followed.
Jetzt
We'll
mach
talk about it later.
So where's your brother?
Look, mate, I'd like to help. I would, but I can't tell you where he is. Last time I saw him, we split up and I went to find Faith.
Ja.
I don't know where he is now.
You mentioned Faith?
Was war das mit dir?
Look, I went to her apartment. That's no secret. You saw me.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
All right, Dee, since you never answered my first question, what did you want from Faith?
Sorry, I can't help you. I'm not saying any more about it. Are you done yet?
Oh geil, Whisky.
You just carry this around?
Das dauert ziemlich
Always
lang, bis so
handy
Flasche
that
aus dem
way.
Kopf geädert ist. Mein ja nur. Einfach so. Komm, der, ne, wenn man freundlich ist, tut man mit ihm, du da als Retter, weißt du?
Couldn't hurt, I guess.
Außerdem, komm, trink mal einen Schluck. Alter, hat der eine Gosche, hey. Na, alles klar? Komm mal immer gut, alle. Erzähl mal noch ein bisschen, hopp.
This isn't going to work. Don't you want to find out what happened to those girls? To Snow White?
Let me handle this.
Ich bin gerade gute
What did you
Kopfwäsche.
want from Faith? Sweet girl like her.
Sweet? You think that girl was sweet?
Und schon tut
She
er
was a
anfangen zu
fucking
reden.
thief. Fucking sweet. Faith was plenty of things, but that ain't one of them.
She stole from you?
Not from me. She stole from
Ah,
my boss.
ja, von seinem Boss.
Hell,
Erzähl
I ain't
ruhig
got
weiter.
worth taking.
Your boss.
Du hast nichts, was sich zu stehlen lohnt. Wieso hast du so viel Geld im Sack?
So let's talk about your
Ah,
boss then.
genau. Reden wir mal über deinen Boss.
You're gonna get me in trouble, Big B. I can't answer any more of your questions.
Junge, du kriegst Trouble. Ah, mach doch erst mal.
He's being too nice to it.
Nee, ich bin nicht... Alter, ich kitzel alles aus dem raus und dann passt's immer noch nicht oder so.
I'm saving
Zigarre.
that.
This is really... What's the point of this?
Ja, man muss nicht zu freundlich zum Sinn, ne? Ein bisschen triggere kann man schon.
Real nice.
Gell? Hast du ein bisschen Zigarre? Bitteschön.
Why don't you just tell me who you're working for?
Look, You're not a bad guy, despite what Beauty says about you.
Was?
At least you're not a total
Schon Lava da wieder.
But I just can't give you that information.
There's no way Beauty would
Alter,
associate with a
jetzt ist jetzt
scumbag
gut, ne?
like
Ich war jetzt halt wirklich
What's
freundlich
wrong
mit
with
ihm.
me? You're telling me I ain't pretty enough? Yeah, we're real close.
This was supposed to be a murder investigation, but you're treating this guy like a
Bleib
fucking house
ruhig,
guest,
Junge.
Bluebeard, and not getting any answers from him this way. Snow White is dead. One of us, and you're going to let this ignorant
Alter, lass
shit
mich
walk
machen.
out of here in one
Die Next
piece.
hat er eh schon.
Out of my way. I'll show you how it's done.
What the fuck? What do you think you're doing?
Teaching him a lesson. Now pay attention.
Stop this right now!
You enjoying yourself?
Stop! What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Alter, bleib locker, Kollege. Ich hab gesagt, dass ich das mach. Und ich hab sau viel außen rausgeredet. Und jetzt kommst du, Affe, Zippel. What the fuck? Alter. Alter. Hä?
Snow.
Was? Ey, hä? Ich kapier grad null. Hat die noch eine Zwillingsschwester oder was? Also ja, die hat schon ein bisschen ähnlich zu Faith ausgesehen, aber Faith ist schon in der ersten Folge tot gewesen. Was zur Hölle? Okay. Also lebt sie jetzt noch? Schlagsafe. Okay. Es wird interessant. Episode 2. Schall und Rauch. Sind wir schon wieder im Apartment? Der pennt schon wieder oder immer noch? Und er hat auch die Fies vom Computerleih, warum?
What the hell was going on down there, Bigby? Abusing a prisoner like that.
Ey, erstmal das.
I thought you were dead, Snow.
And that makes it okay?
Ey, ich hab noch nicht mal was gemacht. Ich war friedlich. Das war der verkackte Blaubart. Ich hab das sogar abgehalten. Aber warum?
I hope it was
Bist du
worth your
Zombie
time.
oder was? Samo, jetzt hör doch mal auf. Red doch mal mit mir. Ja.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain this, because I'm really not getting it yet.
After a conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy. But hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer.
That's not your job, Snow.
Ich weiß, dass er das nicht passt, ne? Aber es stimmt halt. Ey. Ne? Also, jetzt nicht einfach nur, ich will das machen, sondern ey.
Snow?
What is it?
Ja, komm.
I'm glad you're not dead.
Ja, aber wer war das jetzt? Ich habe immer noch
I
nicht
just want to get to the
verstanden.
bottom of this. I just feel like
Gibt's
What is it?
Gestaltwandler?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like
Ja.
me.
Wer
And maybe
zur
that's why
Hölle
she was killed.
war das?
If someone wants you dead, at some point they'll realize they missed their target.
And they'll come looking for me. We just have to find out who did this.
Ja,
and why
kein
she was
Problem, machen
clamored
wir
to
nur,
look
ne?
like me. I
Ach,
mean,
man kann sich mit
that's
Glimmer
what it is,
aussehen
right?
lassen wie jemand anderes.
So.
Also,
What's our next move?
ach so. Ja,
We
hopp, wir
just
machen
keep doing
weiter.
what we've been doing. We do our jobs.
And I'm supposed to do what? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
Es
It's
ist
too dangerous.
zu
out there.
gefährlich.
Too
Hat er recht.
dangerous? Bigby,
Ey, ich sah nicht, dass du.
I'm not going to be
Oh,
an
die
errand
Mädchen
girl
sollen
for
das nicht
Graham
machen, aber
anymore.
ey.
I just
Das
want
geht
you to
halt
be
nicht.
careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm
and
not yours to lose. I'm sorry. I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself. I've been doing it for centuries. TJ is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point.
Okay.
He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too, you know.
Ich selbst.
Myself.
Ja. Ich weiß,
Alright.
was er meint. Fabletown Verwaltungsbüro. Das Woodland-Gebäude. Später Nachmittag.
TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or
Wo ist denn
after,
TJ?
but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there. Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Okay. Ganz im Ernst, dir leid. Das war jetzt zwar die erste Folge von der zweiten Episode. Das war schon genug Kopfexplosion für mich. Deshalb machen wir morgen hier weiter. Dann fragen wir mal den TJ. TJ ist, ich kann es mal zeigen, es ist hier der Sohn vom Toad. TJ steht höchstwahrscheinlich für Toad Junior. Dann machen wir weiter. Zuallererst mal aufatmen. Schneewittchen oder Snowwhite oder wie man es nennen wohl, lebt noch. Das ist doch schon mal eine Sache. Hat mich doch schon ein bisschen, also dass die halt. Holla! Hopp! Sieh mal morgen. Wer noch ein bisschen mehr Infos will, guck euch mal um auf YouTube. Ich tue jetzt noch gleich die Märchenbuch-Inträge von der Episode, also von Episode 2, Folge 1 jetzt hochladen. Dann kriegt ihr noch ein bisschen mehr Hintergründe mit, wer, was, wo, warum. Aller Hopp dann. Bis morgen und tschüss.